Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Pratik Gupta and I'm the technical head of the Esthetrix Dental Group. Today we introduce you to the newest member of our family, a new product called the Esthetrix Sonic Prep. Please look at the entire video to understand where would you use the product, what advantages you would get with this, and how would you use the product. So let me begin with where would you use the product. So this product is mostly your finishing product. You would use it to finish your crown margins. You will use it to finish your veneer margins. And we also have safe-ended tips, which you will use to finish your class 2 margins. Why is this important? See, enamel can be unsupported, especially at the margins. And now when you put a crown over it or when you bond a composite over it, when the crown shrinks or when the cement crown shrinks, also when the composite would shrink, these enamel rods would break. So we want to make sure that enamel is unsupported, it has a clean margin, and also that you do not damage the adjacent tooth. Now the biggest fear that I have when I'm doing interproximal reductions is the fact that my aerator may damage the adjacent tooth. So now we have a product which will be slower, but it will be safer because it will not damage the adjacent tooth. And this allows me to finish the margins very well without the disadvantage of the gum starting to bleed. So even gum bleeding can be in control. I will not touch the adjacent tooth and I will have a better contour, also a better margin. Now, where would you use the product? You will use it especially around the marginal areas. How you would use the product? Well, this product sits on your aerator coupling. Yes, you heard it right. It sits on your aerator coupling and converts the aerator or the air energy into vibration energy. And this is a vibratory device. So it will convert it into sonic energy. And because of the sonic vibrations, you will be able to finish the margins. You will be able to get a very neat and a very clean surface. Also attaching here after my video ends, you will see some clinical cases done by me using these, and that will explain exactly where you would use the product. So I'm sure you will love the product because I've been using it for the past 2 to 3 months and I'm absolutely a fan of the product. So I'm sure you will love the product and I'm sure you will start to use it the way you've been using all our products. See you soon. Okay, let's unbox the Esthetrix Sonic Prep now. So out of the box, when you open it, you would get the Sonic Prep. This is how the device would look. It comes with a board and 2-hole coupling, so this will fit onto a regular chair. If you need an attachment for this and if you have a 4-hole chair, just let us know and we will be happy to provide a coupling with this. Apart from this, within the box, you would get a changeover switch. This will allow you to change the tips. This is the tip changer, and you would get a cleaning needle. This was just for cleaning in case the powder or the water line gets blocked. Just that. These are the 5 tips that you would generally get with the Sonic Prep. The first 3 are scaling tips and the next 2 are one-sided or uni-sided prep tips. Apart from this, we also have 3 optional tips right now, which are used to finish your crown margins. And this tip is a special tip which you can use to cement your inlays, onlays and crowns. So these are the tips along with the box that you would get. Okay, so this is the part that goes on to your aerator coupling. As you can see, it has a 2-hole coupling. Make sure it goes in and fits well. Once that is done, you have a speed control switch here, which will allow you to control the speed. On the right, you increase the speed or the vibration, and on the left, you can decrease. Again, it totally depends on how you are working and how much of the vibration energy that you would need. You will understand how to use this with use. Next, you can pick any tip, and this tip would fit here. It would be screwed in just like your regular scaler. And you have a tip tightener. You can take this tip in here and tighten the tip. That's how this tip is now ready to use, and you can go ahead and use this inside the mouth. Make sure the water is switched on when you are using this because you surely want water cooling when you are trying to finish the margins.